They spit it out.
You can do it, Larry.
Where did all the shirts go? They were fighting over the fish head. They were more friendly before.
I'm coming back for more.
There's a baby one over there.
That's okay, don't step down. Here comes one. There you go. You come for a tickle. Just slippery down here, that's all. Be careful.
Yeah. Now when they bring in food, you don't want.
Are all of them back in? Why? Why are all of them back in?
Because they know that more food is being thrown out. It's a free meal and they don't have to do much to go find it.
Stick your toes out there, hon.
It's like drive-through.
It is, it is. Yeah.
Stand up and give a hand
You gotta say it loud.
and be a participant instead of spectator.
Are you telling me I'm not doing my... I don't want those right now. I'm not going... I'm just going for a little swim.
Put it under the seat.
Yes,
the
dear.
other one was.
Yes, dear.
There's your ice
Yes,
and
dear.
beer. That's the leftover beer.
Yes, dear.
And that's it.
Okay. Here's a friendly little guy looking for a morsel to eat. I think he likes the bottom of our boat. We got two of them hanging around us. Yeah, I think maybe he wants to mate with the boat. He likes the fin, the keel, the wing keel.
Bahama 2022. Check out all of these big yachts here.
Compass Key Marina. Let me know when you got it running so I can get in and you can take me back.
I'll just leave. You can swim back.
heavy so I don't get my feet wet.
You're such a little bitch.